If you want to make sure you never miss a credit card payment, Wealthsimple makes it easy to set up automatic payments right from the app. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up AutoPay for your Wealthsimple Visa card and explain the different payment options so you can choose what works best for you. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see all of your accounts. Find your Wealthsimple Visa card account and tap on it to open the credit card details. Inside the credit card account, look for the Make a Payment button and tap on it. At the top of the screen, you'll see two tabs. One is One-Time Payment and the other is AutoPay. Since we're setting up automatic payments, tap on AutoPay. Next, you'll need to choose which account the money will come from. Under the From section, select your Wealthsimple checking account. This is the account that will automatically be used to make your credit card payments. Below that, you'll need to choose how much you want AutoPay to pay each time. Tap on the Amount section and you'll see several options available. You can choose Total Balance, which pays off everything you owe and helps you avoid interest charges. You can choose Statement Balance, which pays the amount shown on your latest statement. This is the option many people use because it allows them to avoid interest while keeping their money invested or available until the payment date. There's also Minimum Payment, which only pays the minimum amount required. Keep in mind that carrying a balance can result in interest charges, so many people prefer paying the full statement balance instead. You'll also see Pay as you go, along with the option to enter a custom amount if you want more control over your payments. Choose whichever option works best for your situation, and then tap Done. After that, you'll need to select a payment schedule. Wealthsimple offers several choices. You can choose to pay early, pay on the due date, pay twice a month, every 2 weeks, monthly, or even have payments made before the due date. Pick the schedule that best matches your preferences. For most people, paying on or before the due date is the simplest option because it helps ensure payments are made on time. Once you've selected your schedule, tap the Review Schedule button at the bottom of the screen. You'll now see a summary of all the information you've entered. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the funding account, payment amount, and schedule are all correct. This is a good time to double-check that your checking account has enough money available when payments are due. If there aren't sufficient funds, your payment could fail and you may incur fees or interest charges. If everything looks good, tap Submit. And that's it. Your Wealthsimple Visa AutoPay is now set up, and your payments will be made automatically based on the schedule you've chosen. Setting up AutoPay is one of the easiest ways to avoid missed payments and stay on top of your credit card balance without having to remember due dates each month. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step guides. And I'll see you in the next one.